Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here, and welcome to the MFT brand new review for our Weather With You card kit. The large 6x8-inch Weather With You stamp set features a range of furry and feathered friends that, just like you, also appreciate the companionship of all weather friends. Scene-building images include accents to create a variety of weather conditions, from bright and sunny to overcast and rainy. We also have a collection of coordinating dynamics that will die cut all of the images from this stamp set. Hooray Day is the kit exclusive stamp set this month. This 3x4-inch stamp set features a large sentiment that can take center stage on your card designs. You can use this stamp as is with the entire sentiment, or use creative masking to use just parts of the sentiment at a time. This works well with all of the great images in the stamp set Weather With You. Out of the box is the newest Freewa 60 dynamics releasing with this month's kit. This 4-piece set features a cube base along with a separate box side layer and 2 flaps. This die can be yours with any qualifying order of $60 or more, after discounts and before taxes and shipping. And last but not least, we have a gorgeous selection of cardstock included in this month's kit. We have 5 sheets of smooth white and then 1 sheet each of cotton candy, red hot, lemon drop, sour apple, snow cone, grapesicle, and grape jelly. So let's go ahead and take one more quick look at everything you're going to receive in this month's kit. You have this great selection of cardstock, you have the 6x8-inch Weather With You stamp set along with the coordinating dynamics dies, we have a new Freewa 60 option out of the box, and we also have the 3x4-inch kit exclusive stamp set called Hooray Day. We hope that you enjoy all of these new products included in the Weather With You card kit. As always, we cannot wait to see what you guys create. Please make sure to hashtag MFT stamps on all of your creations so we can see you on social media. Thanks so much for joining me for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching.